But I've been traveling for the last 5 years since I retired after 30 plus years in the telecom industry. I'm Brenda Doyle. I'm from Prince Edward Island, Canada. Come a long way to get here. Totally worth the trip. I've been an avid RVer for years and I am loving it. I was watching a lot of YouTube and they all spoke about the NRVTA and spoke highly of it. I knew that there were a lot of skills that I could gain from coming here. One of the things that I want to do is I want to help people get their RV, launch their journey in a way that they have confidence. Before I came, I did the RV Tech Pro program online. With the information that I learned on that, I was able to fix my hot water heater. I was able to fix my furnace. And last weekend, I changed the oil in the generator. And that's all just based on the confidence that you get from going through a program like this. I want solo women travelers to be inspired and empowered and know that they can do this. Be brave, stretch your comfort zone, come here to the NRVTA, do the fundamentals course, and become empowered and start living the dream.